Treatment principles of treatment. In principle, treatment consists of correction of the deformity and its maintenance. Correction can be achieved by non-operative or operative methods. Maintenance is continued until the foot and its bones grows to a responsible size so that the deformity does not reoccur. Methods of correction of deformity. A deformity can be corrected by non-operative or operative methods. First is non-operative methods. Following are the non-operative methods of correcting deformities. First is manipulation alone. In a newborn, the mother is taught to manipulate the foot. After feed, the foot is dorsiflanked and inverted. While manipulating, sufficient pressure should be applied by the person so as to blanch her own fingers. This pressure should be maintained for about 5 seconds and this is repeated several times over a period roughly 5 minutes. Minor deformity are usually corrected by this method alone. For major deformities, further treatment by the corrective plaster cast is required. The second one is the manipulation and POP. POP, it means plaster of Paris. In this method, the surgeon manipulates the foot after sedating the child. The foot is then held in the corrected position with plaster cast. There are two philosophies of treatment of club foot, kites and Ponseti's. Kites philosophy, this has been a popular method for over 40 years. That foot is treated. The pictures in which show the manipulation of club foot. By manipulation and plaster of Paris, beginning at the age of 1 month, the deformities are corrected sequentially. Abduction deformity is corrected first, allowed by inversion deformity and then equinus deformity. A below knee plaster cast is usually sufficient. The casts are changed every 2 weeks and continued until it is possible to overcorrect all the deformities. Once this happens, the foot is kept in a suitable maintenance device.